Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my summer makeup tutorial 2019. So I do this every year on my channel. I try to do a spring look, a summer look, a fall look, and sometimes a winter look as well on my channel. And the look I'm going to share with you today is kind of like the look that I would wear in the summertime. It's the makeup that I would wear pretty much on an everyday basis during the summertime. So during this time of year, so it's also really easy to create. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so to start with, I'm going to use the NYX First Base Primer Spray. Now for primer, I'm going to be using the Colourpop All Star Primer, and I'm going to use my Real Techniques stippling brush to apply it. Now for foundation, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow foundation in the shade 201 Classic Ivory. I love wearing this in the summertime. It just gives you a natural glow, but it doesn't make you oily, so it's really nice. And I'm going to use my Morphe M439 brush to blend it in. Now for concealer, I'm going to be mixing two shades. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me concealers, and I'm going to mix the shades 15 and 05, I think. And I'm going to blend that in with my Real Techniques contour brush. Okay, so for powder, I'm going to be using the Rimmel Match Perfection Silky Loose Face Powder in Transparent. And I'm going to use my e.l.f. Small Tapered Brush. And then to set the rest of my face, I'm going to use the You Spicy 31 brush. Now for contour, I'm going to be using the NYX HD blush in the shade Taupe, and I'm going to use my You Spicy 27 brush. Now for bronzer, I'm going to be using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Bronzer, and I'm going to take my Real Techniques blush brush. And for blush, I'm also going to take the Physicians Formula Butter Blush in the shade Vintage Rouge, and I'm going to take my Real Techniques Multitask brush. Now for highlight, I'm going to be using the Colourpop Super Shock Cheek in the shade Flexitarian, and I'm going to use my Real Techniques setting brush to apply it. That highlight gives you a real blinding glow for the summer. You can build it up or tone it down depending on what you like. Okay, moving on to eyes. Okay, so I'm going to go into my Makeup Revolution Iconic 1 palette. And on my Morphe M441 brush, I'm going to take this colour here, the third one in, the brown, and I'm going to put that through the crease. And then on the same brush, I'm going to go in with the darker brown here, and I'm going to put that in the outer corners and bring that through into the crease as well. And then on my Morphe E18 brush, I'm just going to take those two shades and pop them on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to go in with the Colourpop eyeshadow, the Super Shock shadow in Ladybird, and I'm going to pop that then over the lid using my little finger. This is such a sparkly, pretty, feminine shade. I wear this all the time lately. I love it so much. just so sparkly, so pretty. I love it. So I'm just going to blend it a little bit. And that's pretty much all I do with my eyes. I think this is enough. The eyeshadow is just so pretty. I love it so much. Now I'm going to take my NYX Control Freak Clear Eyebrow Gel. Right, now I'm going to use the Colourpop All Star Face Setting Spray before I finish the rest of my eyes. Now I'm going to use my NYX Slide On Eyeliner in Brown Perfection. Then I'm going to curl my lashes with my Tweezerman eyelash curlers. And for mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational. Okay, and finally for lips, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Tinted Lip Oil in the shade 01 Jelly Peach. And there you have it. This is my completed summer makeup tutorial 2019. It's so easy to do, so quick, really simple, and I think the eye look just makes it stand out as well. I just love this eyeshadow. If you haven't got Ladybird by Colourpop, I suggest you go and get it. It is amazing. I love it. So yeah, that completes this look. I hope that you liked this look. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already, so you can see all my other videos as well. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!